Big news, tech fans. Google just dropped something massive and it could completely change how we use smart speakers at home. We're talking about Gemini for Home, Google's next big AI upgrade that looks ready to replace Google Assistant entirely, and honestly, this might be the smartest move they've made in years. Picture this. The brains of Google Gemini combined with the power of a brand new smart speaker, all designed to make your home feel less like a bunch of devices and more like an actual assistant that understands you. Now here's what makes Gemini different from the old Google Assistant. This isn't just about giving commands like, turn off the lights, or, play my playlist. Gemini for Home is designed to carry on natural conversations, remember your routines, and even anticipate what you want before you ask. Imagine waking up and your smart speaker not only tells you the weather, but also reminds you of your meetings, suggests the best time to leave based on traffic, and even plays a morning playlist it knows you love. That's the promise of Gemini for Home, and it sounds like the future we've been waiting for. Google is also teasing a brand new smart speaker built around Gemini. Think of it like a supercharged Nest Hub or Nest Audio, but powered by an AI that can handle real multi-step reasoning. For example, instead of saying, turn off the kitchen lights and lock the front door, you could just say, I'm going to bed, and Gemini takes care of everything automatically. And the best part, it's not just reacting to commands, it's adapting to how you live. If you normally lower the thermostat at night, Gemini learns and does it for you. If you like listening to relaxing music while cooking, it remembers and plays it without you asking. This is also a huge deal for US audiences because smart home adoption is exploding here. Amazon Alexa has been leading the way, and Apple's HomePod with Siri has a loyal fan base too, but Gemini is coming in hot with the kind of AI power that those assistants simply can't match right now. We're talking natural conversation, context awareness, and maybe even multiple user profiles so that it knows the difference between you, your partner, or your kids, and responds accordingly. Another interesting angle is entertainment. Gemini isn't just about smart home controls, it could also become your go-to hub for music, podcasts, and even video suggestions. Since it's powered by Google's AI brain, it could give you personalized recommendations that are way smarter than anything Alexa or Siri can pull off today. Imagine saying, play something chill I haven't heard before, and Gemini actually curates new tracks based on your taste across YouTube Music, Spotify, and even other apps. And here's where things get even crazier. Because Gemini is connected to Google's ecosystem, you could ask it to summarize your emails, plan your calendar, or even help with grocery lists. Instead of feeling like a robotic assistant, it's aiming to feel like a personal AI that's actually helpful, reliable, and tuned into your life. Of course, the big question is privacy. With AI assistants getting smarter, people are ripe to wonder how much data is being used and stored. Google has hinted that Gemini will focus on on-device processing where possible, meaning it doesn't always have to send your conversations to the cloud. That could be a game changer, because it balances intelligence with privacy in a way US audiences really care about right now. So why does this matter? Because for years, we've had smart assistants that felt limited. Alexa is great for timers and basic smart home tasks, Siri is decent for Apple users, and Google Assistant has been solid, but none of them have felt truly futuristic. Gemini for Home could finally deliver that jump we've all been waiting for. And with the US being one of the biggest markets for smart speakers, this could shake up the entire industry. In the end, what Google is doing with Gemini for Home is more than just an upgrade, it's a complete reinvention of the smart speaker. It's about making AI feel personal, useful, and part of your everyday life. Whether it's managing your home, entertaining you, keeping you organized, or just being there when you need answers, this could be the smartest assistant we've ever seen. And if the leaks about the new speaker are true, we might not have to wait long before this revolution hits US homes. So the big question is, are you ready to let Gemini take over your home, or are you sticking with Alexa and Siri? Let me know in the comments, because this feels like the start of a brand new smart home battle, and I want to hear which side you're on.